we don't take this incredibly seriously from this point in, we're going to have a bumpy ride over the next few months.
In Wales, Pfizer
says he's greatly concerned about the rise
latest on the coronavirus. The United States is reporting the highest number of deaths in a single day, nearly 1,500. CDC Director Robert Redfield says everyone in America needs to wear a mask, or this coming fall could be, quote, the worst we've ever had.
On January 7th, China reported a new type of coronavirus. On January 30th, the World Health Organization declared a global health emergency. The WHO labeled the coronavirus outbreak a pandemic on March 11th. And 2 days later, the United States declared a national state of emergency. By March 31st, nearly 80% of Americans were under some form of a stay-at-home order, leading to economic crisis and financial insecurity. As brick-and-mortar businesses shut down and enterprises became 100% remote overnight, millions of Americans filed for unemployment. For the QuickBooks Enterprise team, understanding the needs and mindsets of the Main Street businesses they served was paramount to their success. For QuickBooks Enterprise, COVID-19 did not shut down business as usual. The client and agency team members weren't new to the remote collaboration, and the strong relationships formed prior to the pandemic allowed us to rise to the occasion, sprinting through optimization ideas and solutions. From January 7th to June 30th, we partnered to run 8 experiments.
Knowing we needed to move fast and that consumer mindsets were unlikely to solidify for some time, we adjusted our A/B testing strategy, allowing for quicker pivots, more personalization, and frequent iterations. The COVID-19 optimization roadmap adds a sense of normalcy and control during an uncertain time. We leveraged third-party data to monitor site visitation and performance by industry, watching how professional services responded differently to new events than manufacturing. We also created a timeline and map of states closing and reopening, allowing us to personalize messages to states where there could be greater feelings of optimism versus caution.
Inspired by the QBES COVID-19 optimization response, Evolytics developed a COVID-19 calendar dataset and made it publicly available for any analyst to leverage for their own business impact analysis. Amid social distancing, a pandemic, and hours of logged Zoom calls, QuickBooks Enterprise and Evolytics work together to provide the best analytic solutions to Main Street businesses.